Made some various changes with this dish. One is I didn't use lemon juice, but typically they recommend using that. I find that actually just overpowers it, so that's why I use lemon zest. Lemon zest as well is pretty cool because it basically just coats mushroom. So as you can see there, maybe you kind of get like a short burst of citric and kind of like it goes away, then you actually get the taste of the mushroom again. And obviously the garlic. This dish also I used liquid smoke. Typically other recipes say paprika, again I find it is too overpowering. Liquid smoke basically just complements the original charredness and virtually nearly overdoneness, which I've done here. And obviously I've fried it, so to make it taste more like it's been done on a grill recently. The last thing which you can actually do to make this, let's say vegetarian, would be to add in butter and obviously garlic, will basically like a garlic butter. I haven't seen that so well used in Spain whilst I lived there. Typically it's just like good olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic, and that's it. I didn't see. Oh yeah, and white wine. On that, I never really saw or tasted in restaurants as a tapas meal anything which had paprika in it. Anything which was like sherry tasting, which again is another recipe which they seem to have, which I've never tasted it. This is probably like the closest to what I've tasted in a lot more tapas places over the last 18 years in Spain. Buonissimo. Like, enjoy, subscribe, and yeah, please comment down below. Cheers, bye.